Hello everybody, Jose here, and today I'm going to show you a quick demonstration on how to exchange the eSpring water purification system filter. All right guys, ladies, and what you see here is I'm going to demonstrate later. This is the ring that goes on the top. You don't have to change this. I'm changing it because I've had the unit for a few years and I'm going to change it. Okay guys? So here it is, the unboxing of the actual new filter, okay? I'm gonna take it out of here. It comes in a nice little case. And that little case, it's got its nice little box. Got a nice, it's nicely packed up. And here it is, guys, ladies. All right, there it is. There it is right there, okay? That's the filter. That's the replacement filter. Later on, I'm going to show you, and by the way, there is a booklet, okay? A booklet. And then there is I might have this box backwards. Yeah, I did have it backwards. And then there's a tool that you're going to need for removing the hoses later. So here's the tool, okay, guys? So the box, which we're going to toss, and the foam, and what we're going to keep is this part, the filter. I'm not going to open it yet, guys, ladies. Not going to open it yet, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a demonstration. So this is the unpacking. It's really simple. This is a real simple filter. Water purification system. It's by eSpring. I'll talk about some specifics later.